And to know, I am currently on my 1 week break. That 1 week break here may take for myself on today. My imagine there, I'll be satisfying my cravings, some midi, and I'll be doing so by cooking these food myself. Today on the menu is crispy fried chicken. I mean the KFC style. In this bowl is my well-washed chicken, as you can see, and I am going in with some onion, garlic, and ginger paste, and then my spices. I used Rimi chicken and also chicken Benny from Maggie, and I went in with this Miss Cookie poultry mix. I don't know, but as you can see, it's something for seasoning chicken. And I also used black pepper and white pepper. Some of the mix so that the spices will marinate very well. My hands is well washed, it's clean. That is why I'm using my bare hands. It's very washed and clean. Of course, I'm cooking from home. You don't expect me to wear gloves. So you have to give it a thorough mix. Make sure that the spices has entered everywhere. Maybe I made me evaporated milk. Made the lime. This lime is going to help the chicken to tender very well because we are not going to cook it. We're just going to fry it straight away. Maybe I made a methong, made mix chicken, maybe biala kama. And I made aluminium foil, made the cover dough, and I made the chef freezer. Just to help the marination, babes. In a clean bowl, I added some scoop of already sieved all-purpose flour. With the all-purpose flour, me do go bowl ni mu so na me fa me cornstarch so me the fry and na me mix it me bibiale is seamless. In this mixture, there is black pepper, there is white pepper, there is the chicken spices that I used in seasoning the chicken, and also me you see pepper. And this pepper is not just any kind of pepper. Me you see suya pepper and chichinga pepper, and this is what sets the taste apart from other chicken. You know, that is the fun fact about it. If you put the chichinga pepper in it, now will taste not different from all other ones that you've tried. So you know, it's very optional. You can decide to just go in with different pepper, but I specifically wanted to go with this particular pepper, and you know, the taste was just it just tasted so good, Charlie. You should really try this recipe at home. And yeah, let me know. I have a lot of recipes that I want to try. Like I said, this is my 1 week break into no easy. I also added some salt here to taste. In another clean bowl, and some cracking chip for be basabi midugum sepede use 4 or 5 or 10 no depending on the quantity of chicken no and a wash and that bunch function a dig bowl nim. I'm a motion at 3 or 4 you okay mum. Muvie no na medin chink a cremidugum and I made milk na media cocoa more care no so midugum na mesanda spices kakra spices name for p at the kakra in moderation. You can go in with the white and the black pepper na you see no ne de na asanso de wo friend then ebia wo pepper nso e da kan na me the whiskey me bibiale ye seamless. Over here no ye the chicken no ye dugu isam na ye mixi ni mu na ye de coat ho ye do coat ho na ye da abo to chefo nim na ye de chefo nso ye coat one san na ya san ye da to isam nim na ye de coat ho na ye de ye da ye na ya set aside. Yes into na ye twen na ye ni nyina lewie ansa na ede gwangonim. At my American, I said one go besido ned one yunsu just to check how hot it is. Me man gwanum do pi na me man gwanum so on do pi. Fantin Americano. On sangwano do pia and nam ne baby nentam no mulembe. And I say angwana and don so eduguma o chicken obey saggy. Into no, please apply common sense. Sorry, I'm just messing with you. But everything that I said is true, though. Into the mongum non show. She means ya kono. Akukwena waya kono you miss dino ya do papa. Oh yeah, this is the best chicken I've ever made. And I loved it. I loved it so much. Try it and let me know how it tasted. Okay? You can DM me for any suggestions.